Animals have been an integral part of human life for millennia, providing companionship, labor, and joy. However, one crucial aspect of their existence is often overlooked: their sentience. Sentience is the capacity to experience feelings, emotions, and sensations. It is what enables beings to suffer, enjoy, and live meaningful lives. A growing body of scientific evidence supports the idea that animals are sentient beings, and understanding this concept is key to fostering a world where all creatures are treated with the respect and compassion they deserve. Modern science has made significant strides in understanding animal cognition and emotions. Numerous studies have shown that many animals possess complex emotional lives. For example, elephants have been observed mourning the loss of family members. Dolphins have demonstrated the ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness. And dogs can experience a range of emotions similar to those of a human child, including joy, fear, and even jealousy. The nervous systems of many animals are structurally similar to those of humans, particularly in mammals, birds, and some reptiles. These similarities suggest that animals are capable of experiencing pain and pleasure in ways not unlike our own. The recognition of these capacities has led to changes in laws and ethical guidelines worldwide, acknowledging that animals deserve protection not just because they are useful to humans, but because they are sentient beings with inherent value. To truly grasp the depth of animal sentience, one only needs to observe the behavior of pets or wildlife. The joyful wagging of a dog's tail when you return home, the contented purring of a cat when stroked, or the playful antics of dolphins in the ocean all indicate a rich emotional life. Beyond pets, wild animals exhibit sentience in remarkable ways. Orcas or killer whales live in tightly knit family groups and engage in behaviors that suggest a deep emotional connection with one another. They have been known to carry the bodies of deceased calves for days, seemingly in mourning. Similarly, chimpanzees have been observed consoling one another in times of distress, demonstrating empathy, a trait once thought to be uniquely human. Ethical implications. Recognizing animal sentience has profound ethical implications. If animals can experience pain, fear, happiness, and love, then it becomes our moral duty to ensure that they are treated with kindness and respect. This means rethinking how we interact with animals in various aspects of life, from farming and entertainment to scientific research and pet ownership. Factory farming, for example, often involves practices that cause immense suffering to animals. The cramped, unsanitary conditions and inhumane treatment these animals endure are incompatible with the recognition of their sentience. Similarly, animals used in entertainment, such as circuses or marine parks, are often subjected to conditions that deny them the ability to express natural behaviors and emotions, leading to psychological and physical harm. Fostering compassionate relationships. Understanding animal sentience can also enhance the bonds we share with our pets. When we recognize that our cats, dogs, or other animals are capable of experiencing emotions, we can better appreciate the importance of their well-being. This means not only providing for their physical needs, but also nurturing their emotional health. Ensuring that our pets are loved, engaged, and respected can lead to more fulfilling relationships for both humans and animals. Moreover, spreading awareness about animal sentience can inspire broader societal change. By advocating for the humane treatment of animals, supporting cruelty-free products, and promoting ethical practices in industries that use animals, we can collectively work towards a world where all sentient beings are treated with the dignity they deserve. Conclusion. The evidence is clear. Animals are sentient beings, capable of experiencing a range of emotions and sensations. As such, they deserve to be treated with the same compassion and respect that we extend to one another. By recognizing and embracing this reality, we can foster a world where animals are not merely seen as resources or tools, but as fellow creatures with intrinsic value and rights. Let us all strive to create a more compassionate world, one that acknowledges and honors the sentience of all living beings. Dear fellow humans, I write to you today with a deep sense of urgency and a heart full of compassion. As a rescuer and investigative journalist, I have witnessed firsthand the suffering and neglect that so many of our animal companions endure. It is clear to me that we have strayed far from the path of respect and care that our Lord intended for all his creations. Every life, no matter how small, is a reflection of the divine. Animals like us are sentient beings with the capacity to feel joy, fear, love, and pain. They are not mere resources or commodities, they are fellow inhabitants of this earth, deserving of our kindness and respect. Now is the time for us to do what is right by our animal population. Let us commit to treating every creature with the dignity and compassion they deserve. Let us be the stewards of life that our Creator intended us to be, honoring all his creations through our actions. Together, we can create a world where all life is respected and cherished. It is our sacred duty to ensure that every being, no matter how great or small, is allowed to live with the care and love that our Lord has bestowed upon us all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more uplifting stories and helpful tips for pet lovers, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new content, and you'll be joining a community that cares about animals just as much as you do. Hit that subscribe button and help us spread the love. With sincere hope, Dr. Mark, published author, rescuer, and investigative journalist.